For me, I prefer cheat days. It's just my preference. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Zach, and today on Fitness Fabrication, we're going to be going over the top 5 things I learned in my first year of diet and exercise. Now before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and like this video because, hey, it's awesome already. Getting on to number 1, probably one of the most important things that people do not understand is do not cut food groups out of your diet. Don't cut carbs, proteins, sugars. Don't do it. It's not necessary. Eat less calories than your body needs and you're good to go. Sure, if you eat a lot of sugar, you'll probably have to work harder to burn it off, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to make you fat. Eating too much sugar or eating too much of that trigger food is really what's going to make you put on the weight. How many people can sit there and just have one candy bar? I know I can't. I need to have 10 or the whole box or whatever's there. Now I know for some of you, you have self-control, you don't have to eat the whole box. I mean, that's great for you, but for me, I prefer cheat days. It's just my preference. Getting on to number 2, setting unrealistic expectations and thinking that if you eat too much food or you overeat or force feed yourself, you're going to turn into Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Unfortunately, that is not the case. I'm sorry to break your heart, but if you just eat a small surplus or not even a surplus at all, you're still going to gain muscle, and if you eat at a deficit, you're going to lose weight, you're going to get ripped, you're going to look big, you're going to feel big, you're going to feel great. Don't overeat. It's just not necessary. Number 3, we're going to get into low-calorie, high-density foods. I talked about them in this video right up here, and we're going to talk about them again. This time though, instead of talking specifically about them, of course it's going to be part of this top 5. In 10 weeks, I leaned down, talked about it right here. It's going to be the easiest route for you to lose weight and lean down. And overall, this is going to cut out your hunger and keep you full for the entire day. Before we get on to number 4 and 5, again, make sure you like this video. Don't forget. And stick around because you're not going to want to miss number 5. Getting on to number 4, make sure you set goals. If you don't set goals, you'll have nothing that you're looking forward to, nothing that you're trying to improve. Sure, everybody that's going to the gym is going to want to improve something, but if you don't have a reason why you want to improve, it's going to slow you down and you're not going to be able to push harder than last time. Being able to push as hard as you can every single time you go to the gym is going to benefit you. Like, for example, I just started a road to a 315-pound bench. This goal is going to make me push harder on chest days and back days and keep me motivated to continue going forward. And lastly, number 5, something that I think people are misinformed about: cheat days. Cheat days or cheat meals can be used to your benefit so your diet is sustainable. If you eat a sustainable diet regularly like I do, cheat days probably will happen less and less. I personally do one once a month, and that works best for me. I just go ham on the one day and then I go back to my diet. As long as you can get back to your diet, you're fine. I talked about all this in this video right up here. Should help you get along with your cheat days and try to figure out whether cheat meals or cheat days fit you best. To wrap things up, we're going to talk about my road to a 315-pound bench. To give you a little status update, on Tuesday I tested my bench and brought those reps down. My range is now 3 to 5 reps per set, and I'll do 3 sets with these 3 to 5 reps. Of course I didn't film on Tuesday, but I will let you know that I had a 250-pound bench for 5 reps. This being said, I raised the weight up and lowered the reps down so I can get used to having the heavy weight on the bar. Friday, I did a 260-pound bench for 3 reps and 3 sets. So we're making forward progress. Hopefully this coming Tuesday we can see more number raises, but you're not always going to hit PRs. You're not always going to excel every time you lay down on the bench and try to get better. We're going to keep you in the loop. I'm going to keep doing this weekly and give you weekly updates as my progress goes forward. Again, the goal is going to be 315 4 reps. I don't just want to do a 315 1 rep max. I actually want to press this 315 for multiple reps. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to this video. Comment down some ideas below and let me know what you thought of this video. Did you learn anything? Let me know. Seriously, comment. I mean, I get like 1 comment a video. So, what the hell? Take care, guys. Don't get arrested, and enjoy these bloopers. Peace! No, I don't want to do that. No. I don't think the exposure is bright enough. I think we are missing a lot of light. High calorie, low density foods. Of course, knowing me, I didn't film on Tuesday.